Patel, Chief of Operations at American Marble. How you doing?
Not bad. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. So, what do you do, and how did you get into your business?
So I currently do all the operations at American Marble. So I handle all the production, all the jobs that are coming in. I make sure they're settled to get produced and go out on time. A lot of the issues you said.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So some of the issues that we face right now is just in the process of automation. With a ton of jobs coming in, you have to make sure that each job is getting correctly labeled, correctly produced, and then correctly installed. And sometimes that can be a pretty tedious thing to deal with.
Gotcha. But don't you think that there are like other companies out there that have a solution to this?
Yeah, there definitely are. There's some different websites and software that help like systemize the process of taking all these jobs in.
Gotcha.
In my experience, one of the best ones out there right now is a company called Moreware. You're able to quote jobs and get square footage on them, get layouts, and then get the jobs all put into like a calendar so you can schedule it all.
Gotcha.
But it definitely has some of its limitations that kind of becomes a bit of a problem.
Gotcha. So how has this problem affected you directly, or anyone that you know?
This problem, as far as like our business goes, it affects us because we deal mainly with builders, meaning we're taking on full contracts for entire buildings, usually at once. So that usually happens with models. So you have a couple models for a different subdivision, and they get duplicated and used over and over throughout the building. The issue on Moreware is that it's kind of built more for smaller scale businesses that are doing different jobs every job, and you're not able to use those models throughout and attach them directly to the jobs in the calendar.
Gotcha.
So it kind of becomes frustrating when you can't keep the job and the model connected. You have to keep them separated, and I have to create these individual production sheets almost, just to kind of loophole the system.
Gotcha. So that's basically your solution to like this issue that for your company right now.
Yeah, it's basically the only viable solution as of right now. Which is why I'm thinking about starting another business and creating a competitor.
Yes.
So this competing website will be able to handle these larger jobs. They'll be able to replicate the models into different jobs. And also one of the biggest things that we thought that might be kind of good for software like that is to take the layouts that we're already spending time making and converting it over to a special file for our different software that the machines use to actually cut these products out. So that would save a lot of time if we could directly import the drawing into the CAD program.
So you would say that it would definitely increase efficiency.
It would by a lot.
Productivity. Okay. So those are some pretty interesting issues for your company. But like for someone like me who's not in the industry, do you think you could show me firsthand like what issues you're facing right now?
Yeah, I can definitely show you. So over here we have a pretty unique top. It's 40 inches all the way across and reduces down to 25. There's a bump out here for where a column is actually supposed to go. And then this is a bar top that they plan on using over here. Now, usually this wouldn't be too complicated at the top. You can see over here when I go to produce it. The problem happens when I have to do this bump out right here. Now bump outs are usually something that I can do, but you can see right here that this angle doesn't line up with this because it needs to follow that path to where it changes an angle right here. And over here you can see that it clearly doesn't do so. There isn't really a way to adjust for that. I can try to reduce the size and it changes the overall length. Unless this is also 40, then you get the correct angle, but then the bump out becomes a little bit of an issue. That's about the best we can do
and it doesn't quite solve the issue because the angle right here on this part of the wall, that's about as far as I can get it, which is at 90 degree, and it doesn't quite solve the problem. So we run into issues like that quite often.
So thanks for that demonstration. That was actually really helpful. So what kind of solution do you have, and why do you say it's better than the alternatives?
Yeah, so like some of the solutions we have to the problems that we face is also the reasons that this software would be better than the other ones. For example, we're going to be able to have more customization to doing different types of tops. Like things are changing every day, styles are changing, and they want more exotic looks. Sometimes that's hard to do with the cookie cutter templating software. On top of that, we'll be able to do more development work on this, because we'll be able to create the models rather than doing retail jobs. And one of the biggest things that's going to help is the ability to export those files from the drawings directly to the CAD machine. It's going to save a lot of time.
Gotcha. Well, I think that wraps it up. Thanks for sharing some of the issues that you and your company face, as well as your solutions to these issues.
Yeah.